Tuag at y postyn agosa, mae'n frwydr yn y cwrt bach, a mae T yn cael gafel yn ddi. Blaen trod Callum Sainty yn ceisio gwthio'r bêl dros y linell gôl. Tuag at Carroll, gosod y bêl lawr. Cyfle fan hyn, o gwych! O'n i'n meddwl bod hwnna mewn gan Declan Carroll. Carroll yn dawnsio heibio i'r amddiffynwyr i ergyd am gôl. O'n i'n meddwl bod i mewn, ond rwyd ochr oedd hi. Declan Carroll yn disgwyl y bêl, Eli Phipps yw hwn. Phipps i gyffyrddiad cyntaf at Patton. Patton at Green. Green ar ei drod chwith ergyd Nerthol. O, dyna chi gôl gan Clayton Green yn erbyn 20 clwb. O 10 llath ar 20, taran o ergyd gan Green a'r Barry ar y blaen. Scotcher allan at Walters sy'n mor barod i redeg pob modfedd i'r tîm. Mae'n cael ei groesa'n mewn dyma Liam Thomas. Thomas yn ergydio! Dyna chi arbediad gan Ratcliffe yn y gôl. Wel, un cyfle mae Liam Thomas wedi cael heno. Mae'n cael ei ergyd am gôl. Mae ar target a mae Ratcliffe yn cadw'r Barry ar y blaen. Walters sy'n cynnig i hun tro hwn. Walters. A wneith e fynd am gôl. Fe wneith o! Mae'n taro'r postyn. Mor anlwcus Greg Walters. Ergyd Ishel yn curo Ratcliffe. Ond y postyn yn amddiffyn mantais y Barry.
Gavin, a second away win of the season, but it took a sensational strike to secure the 3 points.
Yeah, Clayton seems to have got his goal scoring boots this year. Yeah, I thought it was a decent game, you know. I thought we were totally ball dominant, and I thought it was a really good away performance. I wouldn't say that there were loads of chances in the game. We've had one or two, but nothing major. But you know, it's a great away win. Delighted with the way in which the boys sort of, you know, stuck to task. And sometimes it does take a bit of magic to win a game like that. But listen, overall, I thought the better team won.
And it does take you to the top of the table, albeit after 4 games.
Yeah, exactly. Listen, it's a good start for us, you know, 10 points from 12, delighted, home game next, you know, albeit against a tough Carnarvon team, but hopefully we can keep this momentum going.
Neil, a second successive home defeat. Do you think you deserved a point tonight?
Yeah, I do. I think that would have been a fair result. You know, but to be fair to Barry, they found a way against us. You know, they beat us by the odd goal in the last 6-7 games. So it's something that we have to rectify, but I think they had one shot, Clayton put one straight in the top corner that you can't do much about. And I think we've had opportunities. But look, it is what it is. The performance was much better. The effort again was there, but at this stage of the season, you know, performances are important, but we have to start getting some points on the board.